Seliphinde labuya ke ibhola lomzansi, ibhola lesihumusha, ibhola lamasisteri. Hayi, angazi ke bafethu lapha ekhaya noma nayazi le ngoma ethi into enjena. Zange ngayibona into enjena. Abantu bavele bazithathela ikhaphi igame ingakaqali nokuqala. Ngiphethe iBhakaniya lana, they feeling very confident. They playing against Stellenbosch tomorrow eMbombela. It's the MTN 8 final. Long awaited final. Mara ngiyababona kuma socials they head over heels bathi hayi igame yethu lena vele nibhalile ikhaphi igama ukuthi Orlando Pirates yesigodini. Ngiphethe iBhakaniya lana uGrand njalo.
Ngimnandi.
Umnandi kuphela or nje over the moon.
Ngijabulele into yethu kusasa nje le njabulo nje ibe yenye injabulo kusasa.
Yeah. But manje you guys are so confident. Ngathi anibonanga ukuthi still cishe sinidla last season. What makes you guys so confident nje ukuthi yazini ikhaphi yethu leli?
I-performance yethu ya fine against bona eligini bona besebeza, but then performance yethu thina se ready and it's MTN 8 ikhaphi esilazi. Ikhaphi esikhonayo ukuwina, so iyo into esinika confidence because osingakho kos4 manje, so iyo nento esinika confidence ukuthi asiphinde lento kos4.
Are you aware ukuthi mawuloku luwina last there's one player behlala ikwinela ama cup engekho manje, which is uSaling? So what's your plan going to this game?
uSaling beke swinela yona, then uzophinda uyibheke manje MTN 8 le esikuye, there's one player elukiswinela ama game which is uSibelebele, uvale sona isikhala sikanto sikaSaling, so we have uSibelebele lapha ya. So uzoswinela nje nakusasa uzosiphakamisela icup uSibelebele.
Yeah. And one would say ama player wakho abuya ku squad asakhathele nyane, Stellenbosch sithola isikhathi sokuresta sifit. Are you saying nje ubuye udlala ku squad izok affect in any way lento leyo?
I don't think ukuthi ingas affect because iyana kuyinto kwi game time. Lama chita bewedlala kuyinto ku squad bathole into game time lapha esquadini, so angeke sithi izos affect, angeke is affect
anyway no.
Yeah.
Alright, because also lapha esquadini we saw i-defender yabo Molisane, which is a big player khona ngalapha ku Steelies, ithole inok yaphuma zange eqede igame. I don't know if you say ilona seyibuyile manje, but are you looking to capitalize kuleyo gap leyo, whether uyaqala ebenchini or mhlamba kangeni at all?
Yeah, uMolisane i-key player yabo, i-key player because since lo muntu lwa edlala kule defense and iSteelies, so ukungabikho kwakhe kungaba affect, ukuba khona kwakhe kungaba mnandi for bona, so for thina mayengekho singa capitalize lapho. Let's wish ukuthi akekho because social Molisane.
Yeah. Because kuma league games you've been playing around lapha yana ku striking force yakho, so who are you looking to start kusasa ukwenza sure ukuthi weba attacker nje igame isaso?
Yeah, masingaqala ngoHobson, masingaqala ngoMahopa because yazi ngobheka iplay yethu i-revolver unto uMahopa because uMahopa simthatha attention, asuse attention kuma defender, wonke ama defender abheke bani, abheke uMahopa, then uvela lezo ipace zabo apolice zabo Sibelebele because uMahopa makethatha ama defender uyasali, then nazo lezo ipace ziyavela. I think uye umuntu since season iqalile ngibona ngathi uyakhona ukusidlalisa, makudlala yena uyakhona ukusidlalisa ene kule season udlala different than ama previous seasons. Unto uMahopa phakamisi uyeke nje ukuthi akakori, but then kunalento eyenzayo le ukuthatha ama defense ifocus ibe kuye, then kunale ipace ezivelayo which is indlela escora ngayo. You look at ama goal esiwakora akori striker, kora apolice Sibelebele which is ama wingers yabo. So asiqale ngayo uHobson.
Sure, because manje the thambing ithi uSaling akekho, which is a player enwinela ama cup kakhulu. I was hoping uzo mention igama la Mfukeng, but you mentioned uSibelebele and also njobo comment manje you mentioning uApolice uMahopa. Nothing about uMfukeng. Are you looking ukuthi mhlawumbe uzoqala kusasa or uzomqalisa ebenchini because na last year nayiwina ngayo?
Yeah, urele hayi. Urele uzoqala nakusasa. Uzoqala urele because nayi star player sethu, so uyazi ukuthi mawuphethe yena uphethe unegoli une assist unayo yonke into mawuphethe urele
Yeah.
so angaqala angangaqali angamqalisa ngaphandle amshayeze surprise package njenga last kuma final akawaqala urele nebank zangayiqale ye-MTN 8 last zangayiqale so uyadinga futhi ukuthi umqalise ngaphandle uyadinga ukuthi umqalise ngaphakathi uyayibheka igame uyayifunda igame ukuthi le game le injani yabo
then size lapha kuwe siswini unabo Tito lapha yana unabo Mbule lapha unabo Nduli lapha yana unabo Maswangai yabona ama player different abhaya so who are you looking to play kusasa cause ngathi coach is Paul for choice and uzuyabaleka kafuna ukuhlala ebenchini
yabona mawukhoji ibhakaniya uphethe cream yonke eziwa uwamenshina ama players nawo emidlilini cream yodwa angeke ukhale as a coach angeke ukhale but then bathi ungayimushi uqalile uyibonile yakusebenzela siye ngombatha siye ngonto ngonduli then lapha number 10 asike siqanise ibanana dash siqalise umbule kusasa asike simqalise because uhungry simbonile lapha esquadini bekwadisha lama player nama pass lawo simqalise umbule simqalise
and then twisting you focus to yona riding Stelisi khona riding uBhanzi uthi I've got a bone to chew nani because last nje bekanilambele kakhulu khona bufili with speed sabo khona lo mfana lona odlala uphuma ku Chiefs umdaka ne umnandi naye so it's a good squad naye so ubani ongathi mhlambe uyamsaba umbona ngathi uyi threat for igame yakusasa
Stelisi siphethe equality Stelisi because eyona play ngathi threat you look at yona into i-MTN 8 yayo into ama games wayo into Stelisi player ibuya ngaphandle izokora which is uNtulanga Lihle uNtufile player then they have unto Omega lapha ku left back nayo iplayer so nje then baphethe quality kunot young lapha phambili so yiwo nje ama player ngathi ngawabala nje few lawa ngathi ngasinika inkinga nje lapho because awumushela angeke ngimbale kangaka umutshela
and obvious awukho sesigodini but also imbombela it's also riding iphala sehlezi home whether ingaphandle because last ushaya Sundowns urele aqeda icareer kaZungu bekusembombela so you feeling ukuthi it's a sold out affair so are you feeling the ambience ukuthi amabhakani yazo show up
amabhakani azofika once wathi sold out ukhuluma ngamabhakaniya so manje change sold out ukhuluma amabhakani azoza ngokuphelele lapha empini embombela afike ngokuphelele lapha then inkingi yoba ku Stelisi because abajwayelanga ukudlala ku sold out so amabhakaniya into eyijwayele le
so obviously all odds zithi bhakaniya so mfana ngifuna ungaya score prediction sakho before sivala mfana ngiyakuza ukuthi uzobashaya ubheka ukuthi uzobashaya kanjani it's not gonna be an easy game
kona ngeke kube lula siyazi Stellenbosch Sisterbone kanjani but then sibayathi nje 2-1 nje only 2-1 nje
uzoshayela ubani la wayithi
kuphela sibelebele unegoli lakhe iHobzini negoli lakhe sibelebele uMakgopa
2 Orlando Pirates 1 Stelisi according to ibhakaniya ibhola lethu lomzansi nabaphethelo siyabonga bafethu
akadiya